Welcome back, everyone, and happy Wednesday. We are getting you over the hump today with the lovely Diana Arias. She never disappoints. She is with Don Strange Catering, and you are going to teach us how to make pumpkin pecan loaves.
It's that time of the year.
And we're
October 1, we're going to start with the pumpkins.
Well, actually, I'm glad you waited till October because a lot of people were doing the pumpkin in August.
Oh my gosh.
So thank you for waiting till October.
Christmas already.
Yes.
But this is a delicious bread.
It's
and
beautiful.
So easy, and you can make it ahead, you can freeze it. So
that's what I like about these types of desserts is you can freeze them and they still taste delicious once you thaw them.
Absolutely. Just thaw them at room temperature. Don't stick them in the microwave.
Yeah, that'll ruin it.
Yeah, just let them come to temperature naturally.
So where do we begin?
So we're going to begin with making our bread, and we start with our dry ingredients. So I'm going to give you a little job.
Oh no.
I need you to grate some nutmeg.
I always get nervous when you give me jobs.
So we're going to start, we've got 3½ cups of flour. Okay. We're going to add the sugar. You're doing a fabulous job.
Thanks, Diana.
And we're adding a little salt. We're adding some baking soda.
I'm trying not to file my nails down. Hold on. Great. Oh gosh, I lost one.
Got more.
Man down.
We've got the cinnamon. Okay, great. Now we only have a couple of minutes.
Diana, how much do I need to do?
Okay, that's okay.
My nails are getting in the way.
Idea.
You do? Okay, great, super.
Okay, so a touch of nutmeg.
You know what? I'll just add a little bit more here.
There you go. So we're mixing our dry ingredients. We got all that mixed up. So we're going to work on our wet ingredients now.
Okay.
This is pumpkin. This is just a nice organic pumpkin puree. You can roast your own pumpkins.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is, but this is nice. Okay,
you're okay then if we get it out of a can?
We are. We are.
Good.
So we're adding 4 eggs. We are adding some vegetable oil and water. And these are just creating our wet ingredients.
Okay. Now this is easy so far. It's several ingredients, but it's easy.
Yeah. So the extra little step is this icing that we're going to put on it. But
you were going to say the grating of the nutmeg. That's the extra step.
Now, if you don't want to do that, of course you can buy nice nutmeg that's already that's already done.
That's probably what I'll do. Let's be honest.
But the smell of this isn't it delicious?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna go the little extra step with grating the nutmeg. Actually, we made our own vanilla extract.
You made your own vanilla?
Well, I mean, I didn't do it for the show today because it takes 6 months, but that's what I use all the time. Okay, we're adding our wet to the dry, and that's I
think we need a bigger bowl.
Yeah, well.
Too bad. Make it work.
Anyway, so just mix this up well. And you're going to put it into I like to line my little pans with parchment.
Okay.
And so it makes it easier to lift out, but at the same time, it gives you a soft edge to the bread. And you can spray it a little bit. So I'm not going to put it in there, but that's what you do. You bake it at 350 for about an hour until it's nice. So this is our bread, and this is our icing. So what I've done, because you have to do this ahead of time and let it cool. This is butter, cream, and 2 types of sugar, white sugar and brown sugar.
Okay.
And you've melted that until the sugar is dissolved. And then you're just adding your powdered sugar to that. And this, I love vanilla, but I like a good vanilla. So there's a couple of things.
She makes her own.
So this is my own homemade vanilla. Smell this.
That was what I wanted to do next. Oh my! You can't find that anywhere.
No.
You cannot bottle that.
So easy.
Oh, it's so good.
It's just really nice organic vanilla beans that I've put in a jar.
6 months, huh?
6 months.
You're a very patient woman.
There's your vanilla beans, and then you just fill it up with vodka.
Well, Diana,
if there's any left,
you naughty girl. If there's any left, did y'all hear that?
And you just add that to your. Now you can do it this way. You can, just don't buy the imitation stuff.
Okay, got it.
And this one is nice though. This is a vanilla bean paste, which is a little thicker.
Wonderful.
I'm just going to show so as everyone can see
the difference.
Yeah. So look how nice that is too.
Okay.
So I think the flavor. This is the flavor to your icing. So all of that is very important. So we're just mixing this up really well.
Okay. Now, do you have it on a low heat?
No, I don't.
You don't.
It's turned off.
Okay.
So we're hoping this mixes up well.
We'll find out together.
And this is our icing. I think I'm going to need this whisk.
Oh, You got to bring in the big guns.
Yeah, there you go. Just
I mean,
to get all those
It blends
little,
beautifully.
yeah. And so I've toasted, oh, we forgot to put the pecans in here. So I had the toasted pecans, and those are going to go in there
okay.
before
So
you bake it.
You just toast them a little bit, and then you shove them in there. Okay.
Yeah. So
this is so, again, it's a little
Easy.
time consuming, but it's not hard.
no.
I like that.
No,
And
no, no.
maybe if you're having Thanksgiving at your home and you're the one that has to feed everyone, this would be a great dessert to whip up.
Or breakfast
early.
bread.
Or breakfast.
Yeah, you can toast it and then add a little cream cheese to the top of it, and that would be yummy too.
Great idea.
So I won't take all the time that it takes to get all the lumps out of this.
She's like,
but-
you guys get the picture.
Yes, but we have the icing, and we're going to add the little pecans on top for decorations. And if you have
final
a nut
product.
allergy or you don't want to do nuts, of course you don't have to do that. Okay, so here, I have a little bite.
And thanks. Thanks, Mom. She always has one ready to go on the cutest little plate.
Of course.
Okay, I'm going
and
in.
here's the cutest little napkin if you need it.
Normally, I just use any kind of paper towel I can find, but this works. Thank you, Diana.
You're
Ooh,
welcome.
Okay.
So
Wait,
happy fall.
happy fall.
Yes,
Thank you
it's
so
exciting.
much. And we will get this recipe to you guys.
It's up online.
Well, she's already done it along with the little napkin and the cute plate. If you would like more information on Diana, you can go to our website, which is watchdaytime.com. And again, the recipe is already up. Thank you, sweet friend.
Oh, absolutely. Happy to be here.
Oh, we love when you're here, and
Thank you.
happy fall, and we will see you guys after the break.